Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to be learning how you can use Leonardo.AI to create stunning images and generate amazing art. So everyone by now is familiar with Midjourney, however Midjourney is not free to use, but Leonardo is a great alternative that is absolutely free to use. So to get started, go ahead and write Leonardo.AI in the search bar, and it will take you to the landing homepage right here. Once you're on this page, you want to click on Get Instant Access, and no credit card is required, so click on this button right here. And in order to get access, you need to be whitelisted, so if you're already whitelisted, then click on this. If you're not, then you're gonna want to request access by typing your first name and then your email address. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. You can also click here for instant or priority access. So you don't have to wait in queue until they whitelist you and then give you access. So press on this button, and now it will take you through the survey where they will ask you questions such as your name in Leonardo Discord or Facebook group, and then your first name and which account you will be using for account access. So fill in this information and then click on submit. And just like that, you will be whitelisted, and now you can just get the access right away. It will also tell you that they sent you an email with instructions to your mailbox, so go and check your email right now to see if you got instructions on how you can create your account and then just get instant access. You can also create an account on login right here from this link, so I'm gonna go do that and then log into Leonardo.ai. I suggest that you click on continue with Google and then using the same email that you used previously to be whitelisted. And just like that, you have gained access to Leonardo.ai. So pick your username. This has to be a unique username, and it can be really anything. Just make sure it's between 4 and 15 characters. And I believe this username cannot be changed later, but who knows, so just be careful with your username and choose one that you will like later on. It will ask you about your interests, so you can select those and then the application, and then the tool will help with showing or creating art from the genres that you choose. If you want to get access to any kind of not safe for work content, you need to confirm that you're over 18 and switch this button on. And then click on next. Which role best describes you? And now we're on the main Leonardo tool. You can check this very cool feature with the community feed, where you can see very popular and recent art by the community, which is currently trending or it gained a lot of likes. You can choose between the trending and the new content or the top one to get some inspiration for your own designs, or if you're just an art enthusiast like myself. So on the left tab, you will see stuff such as your home, your personal feed, training and datasets, and some fine-tuned models. And you can see that these models, you can use them yourself in your own art. The deeper you really get into Leonardo and how advanced you want to use it for your business. However, for this video, we're going to be showing you how you can use the tools such as the AI image generation, which is basically the actual generator where you enter a prompt and then it will just create the art that you want based on the prompt that you provide the application with. There's also AI canvas and the texture generation, but these are more of the advanced options. So this really depends on the level of art that you want to create or how deep you want to be using this tool. For this tutorial, however, we're going to be showing you how you can use the actual generator and how you can create images from your own prompts to generate any kind of art that you might be interested in. So for this example, I'm going to be saying Japanese samurai portrait. And then from here, you can see the fine-tuned model, so Dream Shape V5, or you can choose a different kind of model. You can see the Leonardo style or none, and from here it will show you the image set that you can choose from, or some more advanced prompt generation, and the number of prompts to generate. So this kind of tool will come up with more complex ideas from a simple prompt. So let's enter a basic prompt idea, and then click on image generation. I'm going to be using this prompt right here, and then click on generate. Now keep in mind that you will get your account with 150 tokens, so each generation will take about 8 tokens, and then if you want more you can upgrade and then get more tokens to use them however you like. So click on generate and then wait until your image has been generated. It will show you a countdown on the time it requires until the image is fully created. So once the tool is done generating, so it will provide you with 4 different images of the same topic. If you're only getting started with prompt, then you can click on prompt generation, and then this will help you give you more ideas to your original prompt. So I said right here, Japanese samurai sitting near a river, and then I clicked on ideate, and then it gave me a bunch of ideas for my original prompt that I can use to generate more kind of creative or unique art. So let's use this one for example, as I find it quite interesting, and then click on generate. Give the tool some time and your images will be ready shortly. And there we have 4 generations of some super cool and unique art of a samurai sitting near a river while meditating. So it's kind of a lot more detailed and there is way more into the images than my original prompt. So that will be it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this kind of content. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for future videos.